I love to make my own spice blends because I can control the quality of the spices that go in it, and I know that it doesn't have any filler. So I previously shared a video about Thrive Market and I received some new spices. So today I'm going to show you how I make a baking spice. I call it a baking spice. Some people might call it an apple pie spice or pumpkin pie spice. But for me, it's sort of an all-purpose, warming, spicy mix that I put in baked goods. So this is my homemade baking spice. If you're new here, welcome to the Culinary Cam YouTube channel. My name is Kamala. And again, today I'm going to show you my homemade baking spice made with some new spices that I received from Thrive Market. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with the cinnamon, which is 4 tablespoons of cinnamon. And it doesn't have to be totally precise, just an approximation. And then put that right in your mason jar. 1.5 teaspoons of ground nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1.5 teaspoons of ground cardamom. And then here I either use, depending on what I have, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves or a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. You just put the lid on the mason jar, give it a nice shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake it up, get it nice and blended. Oh, I love that smell. This smells so good. One of the reasons I love Thrive Market spices is because they are small batch ground and they're organic and non-GMO. So I know that I'm getting good quality spices and I'm blending it myself, so I know there's no filler with sugars or anything else like that. Okay, so you just put it in a clean, dry jar. I label it with some masking tape that comes off easily. So this one says baking and then the date. So this is January of 2021, and I'll know I want to use that within 3 months. And there you have it, my homemade baking spice that I blended with spices from Thrive Market. I will be sharing a video soon how I use this on baked apples or maybe sauteed apples. I haven't quite decided. But if you like this video, please click like. Click the notification bell and subscribe if you don't want to miss any of our future videos, and you will be seeing this mix soon. I am an affiliate for Thrive, so I will drop a link in the description below if you're interested in checking them out. We do get a small commission if you make a purchase through that link, but it doesn't cost you anything more, and we really appreciate the support.